In recent years, Indian talent has taken over the world with a storm, whether it is the entertainment, IT, or fashion industry. But what if we tell you that many globally acclaimed artists, including Grammy Award winners, also have Indian roots? With their unique style and persona and a fan base all over the globe, you would never have expected these iconic artists to have an association with India. But before we begin, please do subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. Number 1. Nicki Minaj. Starting as a waitress working hard to get noticed by the music industry to the most prominent female rapper in the world, Nicki Minaj has earned an immense reputation in this ever competitive music industry. She is called the Queen of Rap by her millions of fans. It might take you by surprise that she derives one quarter of her lineage from India. Her mother, Carol Maraj, is of Afro-Trinidadian descent, but her father, Robert Maraj, is half Indian, and the title Maraj seems to come from the Indian word Maharaj, used by Caribbean Indian descendants. Although Nikki chose to alter her name a bit, she still honors her Indian roots and does not hesitate to appreciate her heritage. Number 2. Freddie Mercury. Regarded as one of the greatest singers in the history of rock music, he was known for his electrifying stage persona and 4-octave vocal range. Freddie was a singer, songwriter, and lead vocalist of the evergreen rock band Queen. He ruled the Western world through his music career, but his origins are Indian. He was born in Gujarat to Parsi parents. His birth name was Farooq Kulsara, and he was educated in India before he moved to England with his family when he was 17 years old. He famously claimed Lata Mangeshkar and Kishore Kumar as his favorite singers in his growing years, and often talked about his Indian heritage in the media. Number 3. Charlie XCX. Charlotte Emma Hutchinson was born to a Scottish father and Indian mother in Cambridge. Her stage name is Charlie XCX and she is an emerging name in the pop landscape. In a recent interview, she said that she considers her Indian roots an important part of her heritage. She was famously involved in a Twitter feud with fans where she took a stand to defend her roots. Charlie responded to racist comments with a tweet explaining why the label dirty is offensive, noting, "I'm extremely proud of my Indian heritage and I love my roots and my family." Number 4. Norah Jones. Geetali Norah Jones Shankar, known by the world as Norah Jones, is an international jazz music star. She is the daughter of the sitar maestro Ravi Shankar and American concert producer Sue Jones. So you can imagine where her musical talent originates from. She rose to international stardom with her debut album Come Away With Me. The jazz and country singer has won 9 Grammy Awards and sold more than 50 million records worldwide. Regarding India, she finds it sweet that Indians take pride in her because of her nationality. Number 5. Naomi Scott. Naomi Scott is a popular English actress and singer who gained a lot of fame through her role as Princess Jasmine in Disney's adaptation of Aladdin. But mind you, she is also an accomplished singer. Her songs have been on the Billboard list several times. She derives her Indian genes from her mother Usha Joshi, who has a Gujarati heritage. She takes pride in her Indian descent and is often seen posting pictures in Indian ethnic wear on her Instagram handle. Even though these are globally recognized and celebrated individuals, they don't forget to acknowledge, appreciate, and defend their Indian roots. That's what makes them special. Who are your favorite artists among these? Let us know in the comment section.